Is your paycheck early or just early for trouble? Unveiling B9. Ever feel that agonizing wait between working your tail off and actually seeing that paycheck hit your account? Bills pile up, unexpected expenses pop up, and ramen starts looking mighty appealing. That's where paycheck advance apps like B9 come in, promising to bridge the gap and get you your hard-earned money faster. But are these apps all sunshine and rainbows, or are there hidden clouds waiting to burst? Let's dive deep and see if B9 is a legitimate financial tool or a recipe for future headaches. First things first, B9 itself isn't actually a bank. It's a financial technology company, or fintech for short. They partner with a real bank, Evolve Bank and Trust, member FDIC, which is super important. We'll get to that in a sec, to offer you a mobile banking experience with a twist, early access to your paycheck. Here's how it works. You sign up for the B9 app, open a B9 checking account, and link it to your employer's direct deposit. Once your paycheck hits, B9 can make a portion of it available to you earlier, usually a few days before your official payday. Sounds pretty sweet, right? But before you hit download, let's address the elephant in the room, legitimacy. B9 is a legitimate company, and as mentioned, they partner with a legitimate FDIC-insured bank. This means your money in the B9 account is insured for up to $250,000, just like any other FDIC-insured checking account. That's a big safety net, folks. Here's where things get interesting. B9 makes its money through memberships. There's a free basic tier, but to unlock the early access feature and get a bigger chunk of your paycheck up front, you gotta pay a monthly fee. These fees can vary depending on the plan you choose, so be sure to read the fine print before diving in. Now, is early access to your paycheck worth a monthly fee? That depends on your financial situation. If you're someone who constantly struggles with cash flow between paychecks, B9 can be a lifesaver. Need to grab groceries before payday or cover an unexpected bill? B9 can be there for you. However, there's a potential pitfall. Easy access to money can be tempting, and relying on B9 every month can create a cycle of dependence. Remember that early access isn't free money. It's still your paycheck, just front-loaded. Don't fall into the trap of spending more than you actually earn. Here are some things to consider before hopping on the B9 bandwagon. Cost versus benefit. Weigh the membership fee against the amount of early access you need. Is the convenience worth the price tag? Budgeting is key. Don't rely on B9 as a crutch. Create and stick to a solid budget to avoid overspending based on early access. Explore alternatives. Are there cheaper ways to bridge the cash flow gap? Talk to your employer about changing your direct deposit schedule, or consider a personal loan with a lower interest rate than B9's membership fees. B9 can be a useful tool, but like any financial product, it requires responsible use. If you understand the fees, use it strategically, and prioritize budgeting, B9 can be a legitimate way to smooth out your cash flow. But remember, it's not a magic bullet. Don't let the allure of early access overshadow your long-term financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,